What is business? This week we will cover the foundations of American business. The learning objectives in this module will be to cite the ways the U.S. government affects, restricts, and protects business, identify current production and operations processes, identify the 6 areas of business, define key business terms, and define business ethics, and explain the role of social responsibility in an organization. An overview and introduction of the foundation in American business. The foundation of American business. Business is the nation's engine for growth. A growing economy is one that produces more goods and services with fewer resources over time, which yields income for business owners, their employees, and stockholders. So a country depends on the wealth of its businesses that are generated from large enterprises to tiny online startups. This module will set the stage by defining business and revealing its role in society. Assigned reading for this week will be Fundamentals of Business, The Basics of Business Structure, Business Ethics, and Corporate Social Responsibility. Assigned viewing will be The Foundations of Business, Lesson 1.2, Business Ethics, Corporate Social Responsibility, and Business 100, Brief Overview of Business, Profit, Errors, and Environments. Lastly, this week, the assignments will be a discussion post, which you will answer, what are 3 responsibilities businesses have to be ethically compliant? You'll post your response in the discussion forum, respond to at least 2 other students with a 150-word minimum. In addition to that, you will complete what's called a minute paper, which in your words, please describe what is business. First, view the video titled Minute Paper below. Next, post your response in the minute paper discussion forum. Respond to at least 2 other students with a 150-word minimum. If you have any questions or need support, please place your question in the discussion forum or email me directly.